James, want some snacks? Do you want some snacks?
I'm attorney Michael Becker. For almost 30 years, our law firm has been advocates for children. Representing kids is our passion. Justice and protection for the future is our mission. Sadly, some days performance brain damage.
You gotta take a bite, my love. Here you go. Who wants snacks? Kind of chase them around. Who wants snacks? Good job, buddy. Good job, James. There's our follow crew who helps pick up the discarded snacks. James, who wants snacks? Who wants snacks? James, do you want some snacks? Yum. James, who wants snacks? Oh, good job. Good job, buddy. Yum. Cheetos. Is that good, James? Is that a good Cheeto? Good job.